Some of the most impactful use cases of private LLMs are for highly sensitive data when you're dealing with it. You can't use OpenAI or ChatGPT for this because that would breach GDPR. This is where you can use an inference server like the LLM to create your own private LLM server, giving you complete control over your data. And this stuff is so private that we can't send it out to OpenAI or Claude or Anthropic or anyone. We have our inference server all stood up on LLM, which gives, all stood up with VLLM on RunPod, which gives us effectively a private model for the session. So imagine you are in a corporate situation, or you're in an enterprise situation, or a situation that requires a lot of data privacy, and you're told, hey, we need you to look through 1,000 emails and redact all of the personal information in there because we're afraid that there's been a breach or something along those lines. And you can't send this out to the LLMs. You can't send this out to OpenAI because you cannot send that information to a foreign entity for processing. For example, you might be in the EU, for example, and you can't send that data out to America or have it sit on American servers. You can stand up your own large language model and you can actually get it to be able to perform tasks narrowly. So the point I'm trying to display here is you can get a private large language model stood up behind a private endpoint that you control, you know where the data is, and it can perform narrow tasks.